Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you looking for a free alternative to Lightroom? Darktable is an open source raw photo editor that costs $0. But is it actually good enough to replace paid options? Let's find out. Darktable is a free and open source raw image editor and manager that works a lot like Lightroom. It's completely non-destructive, meaning your original files are never modified. The interface looks strikingly similar to Lightroom Classic, with a light table for organizing photos and a darkroom for editing. It can handle tethered shooting, which is rare for free software. It works on Linux, Mac, and Windows, and it's totally free. No subscription cost, no catch. So, what makes it worth using? Darktable gives you much more direct fine-grained control over your edits compared to Lightroom. It has a comprehensive range of powerful editing tools and excels at masking. The file management is straightforward and effective, with core functions broken down into separate tabs. Version 5.0 just came out with faster importing, better stability, and improved tools. And again, it's free, no monthly fee eating into your budget. Here's what gets tricky. There is a learning curve to become accustomed to Darktable's workflow. The program has a steep learning curve and cluttered user interface. You'll probably need to read the manual and watch tutorials to get comfortable. The workflow isn't as simple or streamlined as Lightroom. If you're used to Lightroom, expect to spend time relearning how things work. Now, the downsides. When you import raw files, Darktable displays them slightly darker and flatter compared to Lightroom. It can be slower with local edits, especially when working with lots of adjustments. Some users report subpar raw color processing and weird highlighting issues on high contrast images. It's more technical to use, less intuitive, and slower than paid options. So, is Darktable actually worth it? If you're looking for free digital editing softwares, absolutely. It doesn't have the same polish as Lightroom or Capture One, and it lacks fancy AI tricks. But if you have time to learn and zero budget, it's powerful. Just know that if you're an avid Lightroom user, you'll miss some features. For beginners or hobbyists wanting to avoid subscriptions, Darktable is truly solid. That's Darktable for you guys. Free, powerful, but not easy, but worth trying. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.